highest scorer sila ni Ellie Tenorio. Si Tenorio yung score ng garbage time. 2-4 at tinira niya. Samantala, this corner shot. Yes! Kim Maureen has played in all of the games of this final.
Open shot para sa kanya.
First game, best for Maureen. 8 points. This one is on the floor. Taken away by TNT.
White ako.
Too many turnovers for both
Ako
teams
na
dito.
pa.
Saukisan.
Red.
Libra ka.
Ikaw TNT.
Oo.
Off now to Aram. Louis, may
Ako.
stretch out of the way by Jonathan
Hindi,
Aguilar.
ako itong TNT.
Scotty trying to accelerate. Hollis Jefferson cutting him off.
Bakit ba ko saan? Ikaw ang basketball nila.
Ball checks the inside. Finds an opening.
Di ba? Nakashoot
Visit
mo
the
sa
line
ako
after being
ka.
fouled.
Natalo man ka.
Aram is charged with the foul. Team foul update. TNT with 4. Ginebra has 1.
Kamu, dalaon lang mo.
Ginito pa sa damo.
Kaya ako na pula.
Well, for,
Dahil, isa dahil puti.
sinabi natin,
Puti?
go back to work because of the
Puti?
Dalaon mo.
sa game number 5.
Puti. Dili ay.
To make the extra pass.
Parehas na mga.
Eliminations ang average nila sa assist
Puti.
26, but game number 5, ano ba nangyari? Down to just
Isip
15.
ko.
And then they need
Ito
to
mo.
adjust the painted area.
Bukas naman tayo
As
na
for
mga
TNT
episode
naman,
namin.
ito.
1 hour, isang oras na nga kada game sa
Game number 5 did a
kada
good
araw.
job of preventing
Morning,
free
1 day,
throws.
tapos night. Sa gabi, 1 hour lang ha.
They need to play
Ha?
physical
Sige,
defense.
Soto.
Opo. Opo. Opo.
Yung fast break
Wag yun,
opportunity
Soto.
sila. They will
Wala na
get
sila.
a lot more of those because of their longer rotation.
Oh, good point. Gonna make time. Go check.
Meron.
Go into the second
Dali,
half.
eh.
Oh! Matik bullet time.
Love.
Those are big points na nakalimang puntos na doon si Kim Aure. Isang tres at isang dos kanina. And that's looking to be the magic bunot naman for Coach Chot Reyes this game.
Aurin had 8 points in game number 1 of this
Yeah,
series.
21-13 is the count right now. Napata takes away the miss. Every opportunity, TNT tries to run. Hollis Jefferson creates, can make it, and I'm trying to put it back in. Back on at the baseline. It'll stay with TNT.
TNT working hard off the board. Moy
Yes.
Erap at si RHJ. Ang hirap talaga magsabay yung dalawang yan. Offensive rebounding ang lakas nila.
Si Kelly Williams papasok
Yung pa,
after getting a rest.
yung pa.
At AB Erap sitting down. Again, nagbibis doon si Ron J, no?
Yes.
Ligo ko sa
Si
bukal.
Ron J, medyo nahihirapan siya to get his
Uy, maligo
right
ko
angle for the
sa
shot.
bukal.
Siya yung
But when they
nag-maintain
Ah,
ng switch.
maligo ko.
Oo,
Bukal.
siya pa rin yung
Pag
naka-rebound.
maaga tayo.
Ay, shoot. Gusto na shoot. Hala, di ako ni Uy.
Dili ba?
This one is a 3. No.
Siyempre,
And
puti.
better position for the rebound.
Lagi.
Parehas naman oh. Laban oh. Labag ako ha. 21 ang score ko. 3 lang sa'yo.
Nay, ako ng TNT.
Ako wala. Yung mga pula mo.
All great defense by Williams. All of the defense.
Butang dito siya.
Pula mo ha.
He tries to attack.
Jump in that
Dito, dito.
baseline.
Yes.
Nakaputi ka.
Everybody knows
Ako ang puti eh.
Kelly Williams played excellent defense doon sa play na yun.
Solid.
Solid. Hindi man sila makapagreklamo na may foul because those are legitimate contacts. Hindi mo talaga tinatawagan yung mga ganun.
He tried.
Jump
He tried to
Aguilar.
ask for it.
Yes.
Foul.
And he tried to use his footwork. Pero
Foul.
Denied it.
immovable object that Kelly
Oh,
Williams
exactly.
down the baseline.
21-13 with a minute and 43 left in the opening quarter. Hollis Jefferson split from 15. It
Yeah.
will go to Ginebra.
But yung effort nandun talaga, yung
One
effort
hour
ni
lang
Williams
nasa
to get another offensive rebounder.
Sagot, ATV.
Actually, kung titignan mo yung energy level,
sabi
mas
ni
mataas
Papa,
yung
one
energy
hour daw.
level ng TNT rito so
Kapag
far.
kabunta.
Which Ginebra will have to match it if
Exactly.
they want to extend this series.
Ay,
They
no.
can't say here tonight we're tired. Not tonight.
Actually, both teams are supposed to be tired at this point.
Scotty. Hollis Jefferson brings the rebound.
At tumatakbo na naman ang TNT.
Ah,
Looking for the open guy.
Mugoy does not force it. Drops it. It's denied.
Tanggol, tubo.
Taken away. Boom. Zips it over. Easy. Answers away. Here comes the follow-up. Hollis Jefferson
Walang
brings
kilala.
it home. Taken away by Anthony Henderson to the ground floor. Oh!
Traveling.
Wow!
Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito.
Ganda ng action.
Yeah, the crowd is howling. And every piece of action on the court. Grabe yung nangyari doon.
That's really good action there from both teams. Ganda ng effort ni RJ.
Walang na-shoot.
Yung mga
Kaya
kaya.
wala. Sayang.
Ako ni RJ, pero natin ako ulit.
Plastic.
Yan,
Gusto mo
easy.
sa plastic. Ano. Malagpot nga.
DC makes it 21-14.
And if BC scores on this second free throw, he will already surpass his total.
From the last game.
Ano pa yan?
First game, he had 10, then 7, 16, then 18 in game number 4, 16 and 18 in the 2 games that he never won.
Kaya sabi ko nga, no, ang team dito ng Ginebra is back to work. They didn't seem to go to work in game number 5. They gotta get back to work dito sa game 6 because wala na silang bukas dito.
Yeah, and I agree with Coach Ed. They have to match the energy na pinapakita ng TNT dito sa first quarter na ito.
No morning dishwashing.
Oh boy, zips it over to the blur. Hollis Jefferson has 1 second to do something. No. 30 seconds to go in first quarter. Hello. Japan avoiding Hollis Jefferson.
Good retaliation.
Yes.
At si Japet Aguilar finding the opening, getting away from his defender.
Japan now with 4 points in this opening period.
Pero grabe itong depensa ng TNT. Holding Ginebra down to just 16 points in the first quarter.
Tama yan.
Patapos na ang first quarter natin. May fouls naman to give.
And in second quarter
May
na,
salikang
8-5 niya, na-score lang ng Ginebra, 30 ginawa ng TNT. Samantala, Palasa. Grabe ang gamit ng tao dito. Ang daming palit.
Mas madalas nga yung palitan nila. Their rotation is about 4 or 5 minutes. So kaya madalas magpalitan ng tao. More on TNT.
Oy, si Ronde Hollis Jefferson, umupo rin.
Sabi ni John, pagka lumalabas daw ito, nagagalit.
Fouls to give.
Yung bang Tony
Ang para
Harris
ni
nung araw,
Ginebra.
nagagalit kung nilalabas.
Hindi na pakashoot.
Tira!
Lalagay sa Clover yun.
Alam na
Saan?
natin yung kwento ni Yayaw mamaya.
Huh?
21-16.